Hello everyone. I'm glad to share that I have cleared my USMLE Step 1 exams in first attempt, and my sincere thanks to my almighty, my dear family members, and definitely Moksh Academy. Journey began in June 2022 when all of a sudden thought came to my mind for giving USMLE, and for that I really wanted a strong platform, a supportive platform which can aid and guide me through every stages and various procedure about exams and thorough concept clearing and learning about the various subjects and topics for clearing USMLE. And I surfed on internet and got to know about Moksh, and I enrolled with it. And best thing about Moksh is their test sessions, their discussion sessions, the live lectures, and also a huge library of various videos, the topics of which, if you are confused about whatever topic, you can go through it. And I would definitely like to thank the dedicated mentor, Dr. Preeti, who guided at each and every stage. She helped me made a proper schedule about giving test, and she gave a positive pushback every time, like, yes, you can do it, and you can uh, you are able to make up time for your exams. And they helped me clear each and every doubt. Even Urvashi, who is a student coordinator, she made sure I attempt each and every test, I attend each and every live lecture. And definitely that encourages you to join lecture, to get knowledge about it. There are various sessions about first aid reviews, then theory lectures, high yield topics, guest lectures. Each and everything is well planned. And personal thanks to Chirag sir, whom I met coincidentally, fortunately, just 15 days before my exam, as he was in my town. And that helped me boost my confidence. And yes, they definitely, Moksh Academy helped me through, made my journey very easy, and was always my backup. And even if you feel low at times, or if you're not if you're having some or the other doubts, and if you break down for not giving exam or whatever, they are always there to support you in best possible way. And even CV sessions, and throughout, like, since from zero to a whole journey, they are along with you. So definitely a good academy, and it's very easy access, and you can get everything on your fingertips in your mobile phone or your tablet. And thanks to each and everyone who has been a supporting person in my journey for USMLE, and now looking forward for step 2. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.